Alright, so what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am taking a quick ride on a break here to go check out the 600LT. It's getting a PPF treatment. Well, it's actually getting Xpel all over the car. The entire car is going to get Xpel cover, and I'm also going to get ceramic pro put on it as well. And so I talked to the guy that runs the shop where I'm getting it done, Luminescent Detailing. I'll put their info here below. And they said that they've made a little bit of progress on the car. They've probably done, it sounds like, maybe a quarter of the car. And I'm in the area here on lunch, so I figured I would stop over and take a quick look and see how it's going. All right, this is it. This is Luminescent Detailing. Again, I'll put the link below. That's the owner's truck. And in here, inside that garage door, that is where they have the cars that they work on. So they share this place with another company called IND. You may have heard of them. And let's go take a look. Here they are. Got some stuff they're working on. Hey! Look at that thing. BMW, Porsche, getting some work done. And there she is. 600LT. Said you guys did some of the front already?
The carbon splitter down here. We still got to heat gun and touch up some spots, but
that's
moving
awesome.
along here.
That is great. All the carbon, you can see the doors pretty much everywhere. The bottom of the doors. These are not the wheels that we're going to be keeping. The new wheels come in a couple days. Actually, tomorrow they'll get delivered. I'll get those mounted and we'll bring them over here for ceramic coating. Got a GT3 RS over here. Must be getting some work done as well. So no treatment on the inside of the car. They've just got everything here protected. So with it being carbon, there's no issue. I mean, obviously you paint correct the paint, but the ceramic, this just gets left alone. You just buff it out or clean it.
Correct.
Is it any harder to ceramic coat or to Xpel this, or not really?
No. It's
same difference?
It's the same thing, yeah. It's just like any other body panel. It's a lot of complex curves.
Yep.
That you got to deal with.
All of that on the diffuser, all carbon. The exhaust tips. Have you done one of these yet, Frank, or is this the first 600?
This is the first McLaren.
No.
Yeah.
You've done McLarens.
Not this one. Not the 600.
Not the 600, but you've done McLarens, yeah. So carbon wrapped over, or it goes to the edge, past the edge, then they'll fold it over and trim it up. And I didn't realize it was on there already. It's so clear, that's good.
Yeah, whole door is done.
Or halfway done with the car, and I'll probably get it in the next day or two. My new wheels that I ordered, which are Anarchy wheels, they're the ones that you've probably seen on my Instagram page. I've shared some pictures with them. I'll share one here too. The car was bought and used in a photo shoot using these Anarchy wheels. I ended up buying the exact same wheels from the guy, and those come tomorrow. I'll get those ceramic coated as well, and then I'm gonna get some springs put on it by McLaren Chicago and Novatec drop springs, so the car will be lowered with bigger wheels on it. And then I just need spring weather. So luckily it's supposed to warm up here a little bit this weekend, but nowhere near warm enough to drive the car. So car will probably come home on Monday or Tuesday and then go on the lift. But that is it for right now. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hitting the bell for future notifications. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for following, appreciate you, and keep an eye on more good stuff to come here in the future. Take care.